Nothing is more important than keeping your equipment running. And nothing matters more than having the right connections. Keep your equipment running with John Deere Connected Support remote monitoring and diagnostic services for John Deere-powered OEM machines and marine applications. Many of our engines come standard with John Deere Connected Support, so you're ready to activate your service and connect with your John Deere dealer right away. There are no subscription fees or ongoing expenses. John Deere Connected Support provides fleet management and machine health monitoring, all supported by a strong service network. With this powerful tool, you can manage your John Deere ag, construction, and other John Deere-powered equipment from the same convenient place. You can tell which machines are generating revenue and which are idling, so you can better manage machine productivity and fuel consumption. John Deere Connected Support also monitors service status and sends reminders of scheduled maintenance to help you optimize equipment performance and machine life. With geofencing services, if a machine is operating outside of set work hours or removed from a job site, you get an instant alert. The system also aids the recovery of stolen machines through GPS tracking. Think of it as a wellness program for your John Deere-powered OEM equipment that monitors and maintains engine health. Generate predictive alerts to notify your authorized John Deere dealer or distributor of potential failures, so they can diagnose and fix engine issues remotely. With remote diagnostics, the solution may be as simple as a software update. If a service call is required, the technician can arrive with the right parts to get you back up and running quickly. With a network of more than 9,000 John Deere service locations worldwide and a team of engine experts tracking the health of your engine and emissions components, you always have access to the support you need. So stop reacting and start proactively managing your engine uptime and productivity with John Deere Connected Support.